Can you download songs on SoundCloud? In this tutorial, we're going to find out if you can do that. In order to check, you are first going to have to head over to your web browser. And on your browser, you can just go ahead and simply search for SoundCloud. Hit enter. And once your SoundCloud is open, all you need to do is tap on the first link. Now just make sure that you are logged into your account. So go ahead and click on the sign in option. From here, I'm just going to go ahead and continue with my Google account to my SoundCloud. And once you're inside SoundCloud, you could just tap on the music that you would like to download. And as you can see here, you can only play the music. There is no option to download because it is not an ethical way to download music off of SoundCloud using third-party apps. It will take away the hard work that the artist has put into the song. So there is unfortunately no way that you could download these songs off of SoundCloud. But what you can do is simply go ahead and use this track, and then you can save it to your favorites so that you could listen it later. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next video.